In today's video, I'm going to teach you what conversation intelligence in Freshsales is and how to use it. Conversation intelligence is all about using AI to analyze sales conversations, especially calls and customer interactions, so your team can better understand what happened, what the customer is looking for, what objections came up, and what the best next action should be. In Freshsales, this is supported through Freddy AI, while emails, calls, and chats are brought together in one place so you can review everything with full customer context. To get started, first log into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside the platform, head over to your contacts section and open a lead record. In this example, we're using a contact or lead, but it's worth noting that you can also use the same approach on deals, depending on how your sales process is organized. After opening the lead, navigate to the Conversations area. This is where Freshsales helps bring communication history into a more usable view, making it easier to review what has already happened with that customer. From there, go to Sales Emails and Activities. This section is especially useful after a conversation has already been captured. Here, you can review the available conversation information and look for insights surfaced by AI, depending on the features enabled in your account. For example, Freshsales may identify discussion topics such as pricing, product details, competitors, financing, delivery, or implementation. It can also highlight customer signals, like whether the customer seems interested, not interested, needs more information, is ready to buy, or is concerned about price. On top of that, it may detect sales objections, such as the offer being too expensive, the customer needing approval, comparing competitors, saying the timing is not right, or needing financing. Next, click on Chats. The same idea applies here. If customer conversations happened through chat, you can review them in a similar way and look for the same kinds of signals and patterns. This helps you stay consistent across different communication channels, instead of relying on memory or scattered notes. Then go to Call Logs, which is often the most important area for conversation intelligence. Calls usually contain the richest sales context, and this is where AI can be especially valuable. It's important not to think of conversation intelligence as simply AI recording calls. The real purpose is to turn conversations into structured sales intelligence that helps the salesperson decide what to do next. That's what makes it so useful, not only for sales reps, but also for managers and CRM admins who want clearer visibility into customer interactions and sales progress. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.